What if everything you believe about your body is incomplete? Because right now, inside you, something is alive. Not just one thing, trillions of things. Moving, feeding, communicating. And some of them may be influencing you in ways you don't even realize. You think you're a single individual, one body, one mind. But scientifically, that's an illusion, because your body is made of about 30 trillion human cells. But inside you, there are just as many, if not more, non-human cells. Bacteria, microbes, organisms that are not you, yet are part of you. So the question becomes, where do you actually end, and where does everything else begin? Inside your gut is one of the most densely populated ecosystems on Earth. Trillions of microorganisms are living there right now, and they are not passive. They are active participants in your survival. They break down food your body cannot process alone. They produce essential nutrients. They regulate your immune system. But here's where it gets strange. They also communicate.
Your gut and your brain are constantly exchanging signals. Not occasionally, constantly. This system is known as the gut-brain axis, and it changes everything you think you know about control.
Because many of the chemicals that influence your thoughts and emotions are produced in your gut, not your brain. Imagine that. Your mood, your stress, your sense of calm may be shaped by organisms that are not even human. So when you feel anxious, when you feel happy, when you feel motivated, is that entirely you? Or is it a collaboration? And this is only the beginning. Because not everything inside you is working in harmony. Some organisms are beneficial, some are neutral, and some can turn against you. Your internal ecosystem depends on balance. When that balance is stable, everything functions smoothly. But when it's disrupted, things begin to change. You may feel more tired. Your digestion may shift. Your immune system may weaken. And sometimes, the effects are subtle. So subtle, you don't even realize something has changed. Now consider this. Everything you do is affecting this hidden world. Every meal, every stressful moment, every hour of sleep you miss, you are constantly reshaping the ecosystem inside your body. And most of the time, you don't even know it's happening. But let's go deeper. Because there are things inside the human body that are far more unsettling. Parasites. Some humans carry microscopic parasites for years without knowing it. These organisms live quietly. They feed, they adapt, they survive, and in many cases, they remain completely undetected. Now here's the part that makes this even more fascinating. Not all parasites behave the way you'd expect. Some don't cause immediate harm. Some integrate into the system. Some even manipulate behavior in other species. In nature, there are parasites that can control the actions of their hosts. They can alter movement, change decision-making, even influence survival behavior. So now the question becomes, could anything inside you influence you in ways you don't fully understand? And it's not just your gut. Your skin is another living ecosystem. Millions of microorganisms live across your body's surface. They form a protective shield. They compete with harmful bacteria. They adapt to your environment in real time. Even your face is not entirely yours. Microscopic mites live inside your pores. They are passed between humans. They live their entire lives on your skin, and you will never see them. Right now, as you're watching this, they are there. And then there are viruses, often seen only as threats, but the reality is more complex.
Some viruses exist in your body without causing disease. They interact with your cells. They influence bacterial populations. They become part of the system. Your body is not just defending itself from life. It is constantly interacting with it, adapting to it, coexisting with it. Everything inside you is connected. Your diet shapes your microbes. Your microbes influence your brain. Your brain affects your decisions. Your decisions reshape your body, and the cycle continues. You are not a single organism. You are a network, a living system made of countless smaller systems, all working together, all influencing each other.
And here's what makes this even more incredible. We still don't fully understand it. There are thousands of microbial species inside your body that science is still studying. Entire interactions we are only beginning to uncover. Hidden processes happening every second of your life.
Which means this: there are things inside you, right now, that science has not even fully explained. So the next time you think about your body, remember this: you are not alone. You have never been alone. Inside you is an entire world. Silent, invisible, constantly active. And the more we learn about it, the more we realize something incredible. Being human is only part of the story. If this changed how you see yourself, stay curious, because the deeper you look into reality, the stranger it becomes. Subscribe to Infinite Science, because what you don't see is often what matters most.